beneficial using Protein Blast to get conserved domain and alignment. The first thing that we need is the sequence of interest. These sequences are provided in your email. So, what you need to do is copy protein sequence of interest and paste it on the NCBI Blast website. For database category, select non-redundant protein sequences. Meanwhile, in the program selection setting, for the type of algorithm, choose PSI Blast. Next, click Blast. So, this is the alignment in the most domain protein of interest. The first red line sequence determines the most conserved domain of the protein of interest. Likewise, we can find the conserved domain of BPMP124 in the form of PDB database. Again, open the Blast NCBI website. Copy and paste the sequence. Select PDB. Choose PSI Blast. Click Blast. After a few seconds, the page will show the conserved domain of BPMP124. Now, we're going to find out the secondary sequence of protein BPMP124. Click on the first sequence, and you will be directed to the full set of alignment information. Get the ID sequence from the alignment information. The ID sequence just involves 4 characteristics of passcode. In this case, the ID sequence is 3C37. Then, copy the ID sequence on the PDB website. The characteristic of the 3C37 will be shown up. Next, we are going to find its secondary structure. Select Sequence menu on the taskbar. The secondary structure of protein will eventually appear. Now, tertiary structure of our protein. Just simply click at the right corner of the website, and the picture will be automatically appear. Next is Catalytic Site Atlas. It documents enzyme active sites and catalytic residues in enzymes of 3D structure. Insert the PDB ID and search. It looks like the CSA has no entry for 3C37. Interpro. Protein sequence analysis and classification. Interpro provides functional analysis of proteins by classifying them into families and predicting domains and important sites. Again, copy the sequence of protein and paste it on the Interpro website. Click Search. It will eventually display the domains. The next part involved ClustalX and Mega5 to get protein ligand. Open ClustalX software, load protein sequence which had been saved before, which is in .txt file. Click Alignment and choose to complete alignment. Next, save it in the .tnd format. It will look just like this. Next is Mega5. Open Mega5 software and load the file from ClustalX software. Finally, the page will show the BPMP124 and how the protein of neuraminidase are ligand to each other. From all the steps, we can do similar steps for another protein sequence which is BPSP014.